guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much add makeup to your photos or videos in CapCut PC. Maybe not select this one. I'm just going to select this one actually. She already has makeup and she already looks beautiful, but I'm just going to show you how you guys can add makeup. If you want to, go to enhance and then select facial beauty to add in the makeup. Wait, it's down here actually, sorry, not facial beauty, it's makeup. So you have like the single mode one and you have multiple mode, but as you can see there's only one person, so I'm just going to select the single mode one. You can select these, which are like the full set of makeup, but you also have just like a single mode, like you can just add in eyelashes if you don't want to add other stuff. You have like just eyeshadow here, and you can also adjust the opacity of it as well so it's not too much. You also have like this lipstick one as well, and again you can adjust the colors here. And that's pretty much how you can add makeup to your face on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!